Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our stainless steel hood latch pin assembly for the 66 to 77 Broncos. Keep the hood safe and secure on your Bronco by upgrading to our stainless steel hood latch pin while adding some shine and rust resistance to your restoration. Made from 304 stainless steel and polished to a brilliant shine, this kit will dress up your engine compartment. The kit includes the hood latch pin, spring, plate, and the mounting nut for a trouble-free installation. It also includes the integrated slide at the end of the pin for easy adjustment. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Bronco at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.